These 5 side hustles could literally make you 6 figures in the next year. And I'm just gonna tell you right now, the last one could make you over $500,000. Hey, you guys, first off, if you are new to my channel, my name is Victoria. I'm a boy mom to 3, I'm an army wife, and I'm just your typical hot mess mom that spent years Googling how to make money online from home and best side hustles, and I have found the best ones for you, and I teach you the best ways to make money online on this channel. So make sure you go ahead and subscribe. Now, to keep it real with you, some of these require an investment, some of them don't, but let's just go ahead and get into this. Number one of the absolute best ways to make money online is on Fiverr. If you are not familiar with Fiverr, you could literally market any skill over there. There are people searching for video editing or for social media managers or for people to run ads for them, whatever it may be. If you have a skill set, or you could very quickly learn a skill set with ChatGPT, then you can market that skill on Fiverr. So then what happens is people are going on Fiverr and they are searching for people to do these skills for them, and then you get paid. And there are tons of people on there that are making well over 6 figures doing that. The second side hustle that can make you 6 figures next year is actually one of the most fun, in my personal opinion. And that's flipping furniture that you would find on Facebook Marketplace or some kind of wholesale site. Now, this is really cool because there's a lot of people that will post things for free that they just don't want anymore and they want to get off their hands. And so you could go and pick up furniture and then bring it home and find the ways to flip it. And let's be real, there are tons of YouTube videos out there that can teach you how to refurnish furniture. And so there's lots of people that will go and get that furniture, refurbish it and flip it and sell it for a higher price and profit that way. Tons of people are doing this now and they're making 6 figures. The third way that you can make 6 figures from home is doing an Airbnb. Now, before you get ahead of me right now, one of the best ways to do this is not by purchasing a home, but it's actually through rentals. There are tons of landlords now that are willing to get in a contract with you for you to run the home as an Airbnb. Now, there's a lot of YouTube videos on this that kind of go into more detail, but essentially you are getting in that contract, and so they know that their rent is going to be fully covered, and then it's all going to be in how you market it to them. So you're paying their rent, but then you are profiting off of the people that are staying in the home. Now, this one does have more of an upfront cost because you have to furnish it, but there's lots of credit cards that you can throw this on and cover that and then make that money back as soon as that starts hopping off for you. The fourth side hustle that can make you 6 figures online is actually TikTok Shop. Now, this one is not my favorite because it's more of a lottery for TikTok Shop. It's essentially affiliate marketing because you're getting on TikTok, you are getting a product that is inside of TikTok Shop, and then you are creating videos to market it. So, for example, if I were to market this shirt, say it's a $30 shirt, and then somebody goes and purchases it from me, then I would make a small commission off of it. It's usually about 10 to 20% profit based off of whatever the product is that you're marketing. And so the way to actually make big bucks there would be if you have a video that pops off or goes viral. Now, another way to make big money with TikTok Shop would be if you're willing to do lives, because on live videos, you're able to go live and reach a broader audience. And so you are more likely to get more of those sales coming in that way. But again, TikTok Shop is that smaller profit, so you would really need to get hopping off and have those videos go viral in order for you to make 6 figures. So I would really recommend sticking with one of the other routes, but you do you, try it out if that's something that you want to try. Now, the last skill and my absolute favorite is the one that has now made me well over $600,000 as a stay-at-home mom in the last 2 years, and this is the one that I coach people on exactly how to do this too, and that is digital marketing. Essentially what digital marketing is these are e-learning courses or programs that teach you the skills to market anything on all social media platforms. So it's educational, the same way that a college course teaches you a skill. And by the way, there's actually college courses for digital marketing. But the cool thing about these programs is that you also get 100% resale rights. Now, what that means is that you could literally learn the skills inside of the program to market these programs and make 100% profit doing it. That is how I see $1,400 a day, $900 a day, and it just repeats. and I have scaled multiple six figures by doing this. I have also gotten tons of messages like these from customers that I've also helped make six figures in the online space. If you want to know my step-by-step 2-hour strategy, just go to the link in my description. That's going to send you an email with exactly what I do. And remember how I said that one can make you over $500,000? It's because I'm going to teach you how to average $1,400 a day. That comes out to $511,000 a year. Now just think about what that could do for you if you are a busy parent like me, or if you want to travel more and own your time. Digital marketing has literally given me the ability to build a house and pay that off in 8 months, go and buy my dream car and pay that with cash, and now we have the ability to travel and spend our time doing what we love. So I'd love to hear in the comments which of these kind of stuck out to you. And I would encourage you to try a couple of these out. Figure out which one you kind of want to dip your toes into more. Research it. Figure out what exactly you want. But any of these could make you six figures within the next year. If you want to learn more of these side hustles, make sure you subscribe to my channel because I teach you the best ways to make money online from home. I'll see you on the next video. Bye.